Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal University School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class Junior 1, and your today's topic is 2 lemons with color, and your today's HW number 6. Now look at the board. Now I will show you how to draw 2 lemons. First, give 2 stem like this, and then start a tiny curved line and draw this, and then draw the lemons. So the lemon have completed. Give a little leaf like this. Okay, this one is 2 lemons. So this one is with color topic. And I have used here just lemon color. Use here lemon color, and in these stems I have used deep green and deep blue for the veil and sub veil. So this one is your HW. Also do your HW and submit it at your school every Saturday. No more today. Thank you.